or they close at 5 o'clock. So can you work a little bit after work? No pressure. Hey, welcome everybody. I see we got quite a few new people. Y'all see I got on my turtleneck today. It was cold here in Georgia, but it's warming up now. I think I'm gonna be too hot. Let me see what else we got going on. Stephanie says, I'll be off on work a week during Thanksgiving and plan to take time to watch your courses. Yes, and do a little bit every day. Do a little bit every day too. Sometimes we try to do it all in one setting, and just do a little bit every day. I had a book I was reading, actually listened to. I like audiobooks. And it was right here on YouTube. Actually, I had bought the book and sent it back to Amazon because I found out it was free. If you're looking for books too, sometimes you can find a book right here on YouTube. You bet. So that's what I did. And it was called, oh Lord, I can't think of the name of it. But it's a business book. I read a lot of business books. Or should I say I listen to a lot of them, because your girl don't really like to read. I read when I have to, but I prefer to listen or watch. That's my preference. But I will when I get into something. So I did that on a couple days I had off. I listened to this book and I learned so much. But I listen to a little bit every day. And it gave me something to look forward to. So you don't have to wait. Just do a little bit every day. Okay, hold on, I gotta put my seatbelt on. What you want to eat, Drew? It's lunchtime, y'all. It's so hard to find something good to eat because we're always trying to be on a diet too, or a healthy journey. All right, next. So good. I'm happy you're gonna be able to watch the courses. So Royal Netic says, not putting any real estate effort in due to time. I want to replace my 9 to 5 if I can get my consistent notary business. Yes, and that's why I say be able to do different services. I'm not just sitting around waiting on e-fingerprinting jobs. I'm not just sitting around waiting on loan signing. I'm not just sitting around waiting on any one thing. My schedule is filled up with everything. Okay. How much does advertising cost on average? Oh, that's up to you actually. So you can set a budget as low as $50, $25. What I like about Google Ads is you run it and it'll tell you what the estimated number of clicks are. So for example, if I spend $50, it will tell me, well, if you spend $50, you can expect at least 1,000 people. And it's a nice number of people. Google Ads is really good. If I was going to pay anybody, it's not going to be Yelp. It's not going to be, I even tried Nextdoor for a minute, zero. But Google, every time I run a Google ad, it be on and popping. It be on and popping. Are you looking for something to eat? So anyway, yeah, so Google Ads, if I was going to spend some money, it's going to be with them. So what I would recommend is, like I said, so to tell you how many, so if it says 1,000, then you can imagine that means 1,000 people may click on your ad. That's based on all of their algorithms and their numbers like that. You can expect out of 1,000, let's say if you get maybe 200 actual calls, let's just say 200. And then out of that 200, you get actually 50 clients for the month or whatever. That's some good money. So you got to know how to work it. I do not run ads when I'm not working. Some people are in the mindset, well, I'm just let it run 24/7. No. I personally only run my ads if I'm working from 5 to 9, like my full-timers. If I know I'm working in the evening from 5 to 9, that's when I'm running my ad. If I'm working Saturday, all day Saturday, I run my ad from 8 to 8. Or Sunday from 8 to 8. But I'm not running my ad. I'm sitting at my desk at my job, 9 to 5. That makes no sense. Jeff, where are you going? What you got a taste for? Well, I'm trying to find something to eat, y'all. I don't even know what I want. I have zero taste. I had oatmeal for breakfast. It was so good, too. It was really filling. I ate that at what time? 9 o'clock. And it's almost 1. Let me see. What's 12:30? I guess that's 3.5 hours, huh? Let's see. Mrs. D said, yeah, I can definitely use the extra income. Yeah, I know we can. All of us can use extra income. All of us. And if nothing we learn from this shutdown, I'm telling you, Have a plan freaking B. What can you do for yourself? Have your own. I'm sure all of you, this sun is terrible here. Can you move? Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to move. I'm going to get these questions. Yeah, have something of your own. That's old fashioned. God bless the child that's got his own. So you don't have to do it full time, but start working your business so next time it happens, and it will be a next time. It will be a next time. Every so many years, it's just a cycle of life. The whole economy goes to you know where in the handbasket, and then it comes back. It goes back there again, and then it comes back, right? So be prepared. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Don't wait like some people. It was like, oh, I lost my job. Now let me pull out my stamp. You can pull over there if you want to. I just need it to be darker. Yeah. Yeah, I lost my job. Now let me pull out my notary stamp. No, now's the time to get your stamp together. People wait till after the holidays. Kimmi, I'm coming to your program after Christmas. I'm coming to your program after, I'm always after. Some people are like that though. And if this is you, no shade. If this is you, no shade. I'm coming to the program after never comes. It never comes. If you're going to be about it, let's do it. After never comes. Kimmi, I'm coming. I have people telling me that for 4 or 5 years. And I appreciate y'all being here. I really do. So this is not a beat down session, but this is just facts. This is just facts. Which person are you? I'm coming. You got that friend that say, I'm going to call you back, and they never call back. Or you have other people, they tell you what they're going to do, they be about it, and they own it, right? Which person are you? Are you ready to start your business? Are you ready to really do this as a business? Because it's one thing to have your commission, like our person in New York said, Ms. Royal Next or Mr. Next. You have your commission, but you're not making no money with it. There's no reason, zero reason any of you should have your commission and not making any money. No. I'm sorry, not if that's what you want to do now. If you ain't really want to make no money, that's different. S. Abdul says, I had a dental surgery yesterday and I'm still in pain. So, but I'm starving, so have enough for me. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, man, that dental surgery ain't no joke. I hope it went okay. Maybe get you some nice soup if you can tolerate it. Yeah, I don't know what we're going to go eat. I could do 5 to 9. Sounds good. Where can I find more information? Yeah, 5 to 9. And don't kill yourself, Royal Next. You can get information at notaryeducators.com. Notaryeducators.com. And again, you have an entry point of $27. Gets you your 5 main courses that you need in order to start this business. And then also live weekly trainings. And then the $47 package gets you access to everything. And even the group chat. And the group chat runs 7 days a week. It's a live chat where if you need any help after you start taking jobs or as you're learning, some things still may not be clear, which most of the time we teach pretty clear. It's very few times that we have a lot of questions because I try to be very clear and not a lot of fluff, because fluff is unclear and unkind. So I like things to be uncomplicated, if you couldn't tell. Okay, so notaryeducators.com. What's going on over in that chat? I hear it. I hear the chat going off a little bit. Okay. All right, I'll look at that in a minute. All right, what else is going on? Anything else? Okay, I'll give y'all a few more minutes for a couple more questions, and then I'm going to get out of here because I got a couple things I got to go handle. And I will look for you all over in the mentorship program.